seniors during their spring semester usually would be forced to take a college entrance test called ACT, which was the American College Test. But now we'll be taking SAT, which is a Scholastic Aptitude Test. So it's a different company. However, I do feel it's more of a path in the right direction. This is nothing more than a standardized test where you're comparing yourself to a pool on a national level.
It was just really stressful because, like, I feel like they didn't really know what was going on. Like, it wasn't set up that well. It's kind of confusing. Like, they teach you a lot about that ACT, so I don't know how they would switch it. It's kind of confusing for students, I feel like.
Standardized testing has pluses and minuses. For a big part of standardized testing history, it was problematic because it could be used to racially segregate students away from schools like Harvard and pushing them into lesser programs. But there is some research that shows that modern standardized testing scores do in fact pair well with how the student does in their first year and then ultimately throughout college.
The ACT, don't even leave it at the cert prepared me pretty well. I felt like the ACT for the time limit, but I felt like the scores that they gave you on the cert were actually a lot lower than the scores that you got on the ACT.
I know colleges look at how high your test scores are, so I think it's pretty important.
The reading section was fine. I think personally the math section was really hard, and I think the Wi-Fi outage made it a little bit harder.